So to understand in detail this maximum entropy model, let us consider this an mathematical solution to understand the maximum entropy model. Let us consider you have the observation. Okay, so as per in the previous equation, we have the one class and one is the observed class. Okay, so let us consider this observation I represent as a 0, ON, O1, 1, O2, O3, ON, and we want to tag it with a label S1, S2, S3 and Sn. Okay, so let us consider there are the two variables I am considering. First is my observation. That is represented by O1, O2, O3, ON, and I want to tag this O1, O2, O3, ON with a label S1, S2, S3 and Sn. That maximize the conditional probability. What is the conditional probability? P of S1, S2, Sn of ON over to ON. Okay. So in my example, I have the two variables. First is my observation that I represent with a O, and the second one is a label that I want to seek to tag with this observation. So my observation, let us consider, I say that this can is nothing but, in English, it is a has. Okay. Then the other word, En, in English is nothing but the is. Okay, so this is my French language and this is my English language. Got it? So in English, this Dan, D-A-N-E, D-A-N-E, Dan. Okay, Dan, in English it is nothing but the has, and En, in English it is nothing but the is. Okay, so I want to tag this. My observation. Okay. So you have to give this observation and you have to tag with the observation with your labels S1, S2, S3. And how we can give this? P of S1, S2, Sn and O1, O2, An. Okay. Now, in this maximum entropy model, this probability is factored into Markov translation probability, where the probability of translating to the particular label depend only on the observation that at position and the previous position level. So here we also require the previous position value. Keep in mind that. Okay. What we required? We are also required the previous position level value while we are giving the probability. Okay. And how it is represented? Probability of S1, that is your label S1, S2, Sn of ON observation of ON, O2, ON equal to T1 to N probability of ST minus 1, okay, and OT. So what is this? This is the previous level. This is my previous level position. This is my current level position, and this is my observation, current observation. At the time t, t is indicating the at the time t, or you can say that is the number of observations. Okay, so this is a maximum entropy model. Now, each of these transition probability come from the same general distribution. Okay, so we require the some general distribution, that is the P of S dash of O, that is your observation. For each possible label value of the previous label S dash, the probability of certain label S is modeled in the same way as a maximum entropy classifier. So P of S dash O equal to P of S dash O equal to 1 divided by, that we already seen that this formula, this is the equation of entropy, maximum entropy model. Okay, so this is an maximum enthalpy model, max ENT formula, max ENT formula. Okay, and 1 divided by 0. Your observation is that is the previous label exponential of summation of A lambda f of OS. Here, f of A OS are the real value or categorical feature function, and z of OS dash f dash is an normalization term ensuring that the distribution comes to 1. Your distribution must be present as 1. So this is a formal of distribution corresponding to the maximum enthalpy. Probability distribution satisfying the constraint that empirical expectation for the feature is equal to the expectation given in the model. So to implement this MaxNet model, that is MaxNet enthalpy model, let us consider here there is a one random process which produce an output value y for the member from the set of y. For translation example, just consider the process translation of the word, and the output y can be any word in the set. So what we are taking? This is your finite set. Okay. So this is a finite set, means y. So this is a capital Y is equal to, you can consider as then En, then E, then U, RS, DE, and then. Okay. So this is your set of word. This is your finite set of y. And what is your small y? Small y is the output value. My small y is your output value, means out of this one must be a match with your English word. Okay, but for that you require the set of the word, and this set of the finite set of the word is nothing but this y, and this represented by the y, and this is must be your output. This is your output. In generating y, the process may be influenced by some contextual information x from the member of finite set x. This x is nothing but your English word, finite set of English word. Okay. In the present example, this information could include the word in the English sentence surrounded in. Right. So what we are doing, simply I tell you that I am taking the one capital Y, and what is by capital Y? It is a set of French word. Okay, and another is a X. This is a set of what? It is a set of English word. Okay, and now you have to give the labeling of your Y word with your X word, and that must be correct. And for that you have to use the MaxNet model. Here our task is construct the stochastic model that accurately represents the behavior of random process. Such a model is a method of estimating the conditional probability that given a context X, the processing will be output Y. A word here on a notation, a rigorous protocol requires that we differentiate the random variable from the particular value in that same as well. So here let us consider one approach we have to write here for the capital letter of the first and the lower case for the second. Okay. So what I am considering in this approach, so the first word must be a capital and the other word are lowercase, and it is represent the how many words there? There are the 6 words belonging to X, and furthermore, we should distinguish this probability distribution, that is the Q of X. Q of X is equal to 1 of 6, because why? Because there are the 6 words are there, 6 keywords are there. Okay, 6 side dice. So we are taking this example for the 6 side dice only, and it is appropriate for the pair die from a particular value assigned by the distribution to certain event, say Q of X, capital X and small x is 1 by 6. So this is a different one and this is a different one. Don't consider this is here I am giving the example of French language to English language, but for this explaining we are taking the example of 6 side dice. Okay. So as you know that in a 6 side dice the maximum state, how many sets are there? There must be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, because you know that in a dice you can having the 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and all this thing. Okay, so this is indicating the dice. So in the 6 side dice we are represent the X is equal to these are the state of my expected value and for random variable, and we should distinguish the probability. So how we can distinguish the probability? So 1 divided by 6, because there are the 6 values, 2 divided by 6, 1 divided by 6 and 1 divided by 6 for the all the 6 ones. Okay, because there are the 6 chances of the dice. Now this Q of capital X equal to small x is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so small x is a 1 by 6, and having the constraint what we should do, we shall henceforth dispense with capitalized letter and let the context disambiguate the meaning of Q of X and entire model of Q of X and the other value assigned by the model to event X equal to X. Furthermore, we will denote the probability of C set of all the conditional probability distinguished. Thus the model C of X Yx is defined just by the element of C. Okay, so this is all about the MaxNet modeling.